How to fix Wi-Fi option not showing in Windows 11? So I will show the best method or solution. So please follow step by step. So let me start with the video. The first simple method, we need to first check if our hardware Wi-Fi hardware properly working or not. If there is a hardware problem, then we need to change the hardware or repair the hardware from your computer engineer. So first we need to check if there are hardware problem in our device. So how we can check is, come to the search for CDM, go to the command prompt. Here we need to give the prompt like, okay, this one we need to type ping space 127.1.1.1 and hit the enter. Okay, if you got this type of reply, then your hardware is okay, your Wi-Fi hardware is okay. If you get reply like a general failure here, if you see the general failure reply here, then it's mean you got problem with your hardware. Okay, so you need to uh, check your hardware, Wi-Fi hardware. If it is okay like this, then what we can do, the first method, we need to go in, come search and search for that computer management. Computer management, just open it, and here we need to go in this service application, just click on it. Now under the service, we need to double click on it and open that list. Now just scroll down and just come very bottom, and here we can see that WLAN. Okay, just double click on, open it and make it manual and stop it and then start it. Okay, you can also keep automatic if you want, but I suggest keep the manual, stop it and start it. Okay, and then apply. Okay, now here we need to come in that WWAN auto config, double click on it, keep the manual and start it. After start, just apply it. Now search for Wi-Fi. This is Wi-Fi detector service connection manager, just double click on it, same, keep the manual and start it. After start, just apply it. Okay, now come to the device manager, just select that device manager. Okay, and just come here, view, and make sure you click on show hidden device, hidden drivers. Okay, now here you need to find out that Wi-Fi here, and just right click on it and you need to enable it. If it is disabled, then you need to enable it. Okay, now my device, my driver is enabled, so it's like that's why it's showing the disable. Okay, if you are showing enable option here, you need to enable it. Okay, so we have the two device driver here. Okay, after you enabled, you can just again right click and go to the update drivers and scan for automatic drivers, and if it is not updated, it will be installed. Okay, now okay, you need to update every drivers like this. Once you done, again click here and go to the update driver and go to the automatic drivers again and go to the search for update drivers in window updates. Now here you can take this window updates, you need to enable your window updates. Okay, if in my case it is disabled, but you need to enable it. If it is already enabled, then you can directly go to the another option, and if it is not enabled at you, then you need to enable it and wait for 5 minutes. Then come to the advanced option here and go to the optional updates, and here you can, if you see any Wi-Fi device updation, you need to update from here. Okay, so in my case I don't have any updation requirement here, so you need to update if you have any updation notification there. Okay, now what we can do, go to the network, view the network connections. Here you can see your Wi-Fi connection, right click on it, disable it, then enable it. Okay, now you need to restart your PC, and definitely you will see your the Wi-Fi icon here. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.